My name is William J. Rothwell. You can call me Bill. Today, I'd like to talk about what I regard as an exciting idea for human resource management. If you think about it and you pick up any college textbook on human resource management, I guarantee you what you will find. The first chapter will be devoted to defining what is human resource management. And chapter 2 will focus on job analysis and its product, the job description, as the foundation of all HR management. So if you think about it on a theoretical level, HR management is very much like a computer system. We know that all computers run on operating systems. The one I'm using right at the moment happens to be running on Windows 11. Some people use Apple products or a Mac, and they run on a completely different operating system. Well, if you think of it like that, by comparison, HR management historically and traditionally has run on the job description based operating system. And by that logic, everything in HR is based on the job description: how we recruit, how we select, how we onboard, how we pay, how we train, how we evaluate performance, how we use corrective action. Everything is based on the job description. And so, just like on a computer, everything runs on an operating system. If you open MS Office, you're doing it. The background is Windows, and so same logic. If in HR, everything is based on the job description. The problem is job descriptions have flaws, and we all know what those are. Job descriptions are easily out of date. Many of them are very incomplete. They list 3 or 4 things, and then it says, and all other duties as assigned. And that's 98% of the job. So a lot of workers and a lot of managers wander around organizations today a little unsure of exactly what their job entails. So enter the idea of competency modeling. A job description literally describes the job, the work. A competency model describes the human beings who do the work. And we can distinguish because some workers do the work better than others. The people who are best in class, most productive workers, we call them exemplary performers. And the people who are average, they're out of the probationary period. They've been trained on the job. They know what to do, but they are not the superstar performers. We call them the fully successful performers. Well, what if we reinvented the entire HR system around a competency framework? You still need job descriptions because we still need to know the work that people do. But maybe even those can stand to be reinvented. But the competency model describes we could focus on superstar performers, and they're up to as much as 20 times more productive than the average, the fully successful performer doing the job. If we did that, we would be doing recruiting, looking for exemplary performers. We would select for exemplary performers. We would onboard and train exemplary performers. Now, we would not turn the whole organization into exemplary performers because in some cases, it's just not possible to turn everyone into a superstar performer. Sometimes it has to do with personal gifts that explain why some people are so much more talented than others. Think of the difference between the average mathematician and Albert Einstein, between the average composer and Mozart, between the average painter and Picasso. Those are big differences, but even if we just raise the productivity dynamic slightly, our company would end up being the most competitive in the industry. That's the logic I'm talking about. So, competency based human resource management is all about focusing on the qualities of the people that make them so productive, and then reinventing our entire HR system around recruiting, selecting, onboarding, training, appraising, compensating, and managing around all of those elements that make people more productive. That would turn HR into a powerful strategic weapon that would help the organization compete in an increasingly fierce global marketplace. So, have a look at my book, Competency Based Human Resource Management, if you would like to learn more about this exciting idea. Thank you for listening.